Guys, emergency generator unable to close or engage. So here guys, what we can see, PCB control circuit, emergency generator panel. So here, E5 to CT. So the LRC will command the air circuit breaker to close or engage. So we'll find this E5 to CT. So we have E5 to CT here. So this is E5 to CT. So what are the interlocks of E5 to CT? So here are the interlocks, all interlocks. A84X, so bus tie, so E5 to Y, E506, EB6Y. So we'll find interlocks, the relays and the timers. So this is EB4X, this is page 6 2D. So here, page 6 2D, 2. This is number 2, D. So that one. E84X. Next is the E5 to Y. E5 to Y, that is E5 to Y. So that is page 6, 5D. So page 6, so you can say page 6, 5D. Okay. Page 6, 5D. So E5 to Y. So this one, E5 to Y. So next is the E506. So page 6, 6D. So page 6, 6D. Okay, this is the number 6. And D. This is the D. Page 6, 5D. So here, E506, 0X, sorry. E506. So next interlock is E8CY. So page 12, 3E. So punta tayo doon sa page 12. This is page 12, 3. That one, 3 Eagle. So 3E. Yan yung 3E. So this is E8CY. So yan yung i-check nyo na interlocks. Sigurado na mag-trace nyo kung ano yung problema. So this is all the interlocks. Dapat matrace nyo yan. Yan. Okay, that's all. Thank you.